Hello again. This is Erica of Weavolution, and I am here today to give a tutorial on how to add your fiber stash into Weavolution. This is a fairly recent update to the site that I was really excited to be able to do for you all, and I'm really excited to share it with you today. So, anything you want to add on the site, you need to be logged in to add things to the site, and this add button will appear on every page that you're on, and this is what you use to add any content to the site. So you can see when I hover over add, it's giving me options, and fiber is the option that I want to use today. So, I spin a lot of hand-dyed braids and rovings. And so I like to title my fiber with the my fiber stash with the colorway name. I am not going to share my fiber with the group audience. That's just a personal decision, but if you would like to share your fiber with a particular group, you can choose it from the section here. So in the body for right now, I'm going to add the specific fiber content of this particular yarn, and then I'm going to scroll down and I am going to choose both wool and silk for the fiber that's in there. Because there are several different fiber types, I'm not going to do the percentages on this particular fiber. I am going to go ahead and put the colorway in here again, and the supplier. Okay. So I want to go ahead and put a listing item image on this. Again, the listing item images are the ones that show up like when you're looking at things in your studio, or when other users are looking at a list of all the particular projects, or in this case, all the different fibers that other people have added on Weavolution. I'm going to go ahead and upload this photo to show you again, or maybe for the first time, depending on which order you're watching the tutorials in. So I'm going to upload my photo to show you how to do that. So I'm going to click on Choose File. I'm going to choose the image that I want to upload. I'm going to click Open, and then I'm just going to click the Upload button. And there is my beautiful bump of fiber ready to go and ready to spin. And I've filled in all the information that I want to fill in. So I just click Post, and it takes me right to my fiber page for that particular fiber. And that's how you add your fiber stash to Weavolution. The great thing about adding your fiber stash is that when you go to spin this yarn, you can add the hand spun yarn itself. And once you have the fiber loaded into your fiber stash on Weavolution, when you go to add this as hand spun yarn, you get a list of all your fibers, and you can just pick the one that you're using, or ones that you're using for that yarn. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you're enjoying using Weavolution. I look forward to seeing you on the site, and happy spinning and weaving.